Meet Spark. Small, colorful, smart. A powerful flying camera that you can take anywhere. It's so clever, it activates by recognizing you. Just launch it from the palm of your hand. It even returns when you call it. And land like this. Easy. Can't get everyone in the shot? No problem. Watch as it hovers precisely in place, always at your command. Control it with your hands, remote controller, mobile device, or DJI goggles. Using GPS, Spark knows where it is, even if you don't. It'll even sense obstacles to avoid things in front of it and come home safely. Think you got smooth moves? Spark's footage is smoother. It takes the shake out of your shot, so you look like a pro. Not feeling the control sticks? Perform preset flight maneuvers with a single click and get those epic shots. Here's a way to stand out from the crowd. Spark automatically adds shallow depth of field to your photos. If you don't know how to fly, just tap fly. Let's see if you can handle sport mode. Spark keeps you in the frame, so all you need to do is act naturally. Edit your epic videos and share them instantly. Spark your aerial creativity anywhere. All you need to do is seize the moment.
From Edison's times to our days, the lamp socket didn't change at all. 138 years have passed, but we still twist. What if we say that game has changed? You don't need to twist anymore. Just one click. Introducing the MagBulb, a revolutionary system which consists of 2 parts and allows installing bulbs in one click. And it's all because of magnets, of course. With MagBulb, you no longer need to push and twist the bulb in awkward lampshades. No more extracting broken bulbs using special tools. No pain for people with arthritis. And all those sufferings happen to you when you're balancing high up. Stop it now and start using MagBulb. Please support us on Kickstarter.
Vortex is the first environmental simulator for all your favorite PC games, videos, and VR. Imagine feeling the heat of a flamethrower when you're playing Battlefield 1.
Got a great sense of the heat. It's interesting because it immediately makes you sweat, so it's really quick to immerse you into it. I know when an explosion is going to happen, I'm gonna feel the flame, so I'm already scared about it happening. It makes the world more tangible, whatever I'm watching or playing. Like, it actually makes me more fearful. This is like flame that's gonna hurt me, and it's amazing.
So what's exciting about Vortex is we're taking a large amount of input data in audiovisual format, and we get to turn that information into usable feedback that creates an elevated level of immersion for the users. It kind of caught me off guard after we started putting some of this work into play, because the unit was a blast to use. It was genuinely fun, and it is. It makes almost every piece of content that you